CT scan services in Kajiado County are set to benefit from the installation of the first ever CT scan machine at the Kajiado Referral Hospital, courtesy of the Kajiado County government. Kajiado Governor Joseph Lenku says installation of the machine is long overdue as patients have been traveling thousands of kilometers to assess the same at either Nairobi or Machakos Counties. He said his administration was committed to ensuring improved health services for all citizens. The new facility will offer CT scan services at a cost of 5,000 shillings.
Pia kutumwa kwingine ili kupata huduma ya CT scan, na sasa kuanzia wiki hii CT scan yetu inafanya kazi, watu kadhaa wametibiwa, na bei ya hiyo CT scan ni 5,000. Unajua huko nje ni 15,000, 20,000.